This is a scenario that could happen to many people. This is Andy, and he is at home, undergoing cardiac arrest, and he can't move. This is horrible. He faces two main challenges. The first challenge is that he needs immediate rescue. His survival chances are close to zero within just 10 minutes. However, the average EMS response time is 9 minutes or longer. The second challenge is that no one is there to help him, so his survival chances are 4%. Could we use a drone to help save Andy's life? I know it sounds fictional, but why not? I innovated a rescue drone with the goal of solving these two challenges in mind. 1. Intervening with patients instantly before an EMS can arrive, and 2. Saving more cardiac arrest patients at home. This is my prototype drone. I built it with hard work and passion. So, how would it work? It is designed to be used in an indoor residential setting, like a personal drone at home. It has 4 design features. It can 1. Locate patients instantly after receiving wireless alert from the patient. 2. It can monitor patients by enabling live video surveillance with an EMS team. And 3. It can deliver emergency medication under surveillance. And 4. It can open doors. So, how did I make it? I designed, tested, and assembled this prototype at home. Consulted with doctors, engineers, and fabricated parts at my robotics team workshop, my school, as well as my local university. I built and tested 3 different auto-injection systems, 4 arms, and 3 grippers. This was an iterative process until the prototype worked. The eureka moment was when I finally figured out the new design for opening the door. The most exciting moment was when the drone flew balanced after I fixed the unbalanced flight issue. It was funny because I spent days and nights coding and working on my electrical assemblies before realizing that my battery power wasn't enough. So far, the drone is valid to do 3 things. 1. It can locate patients instantly. 2. It can deliver emergency medication through a pillbox or intramuscular auto-injection. And 3. It can open doors through an extendable arm gripper system. Future work has been planned to improve arm gripper operations and the live video surveillance system. So in the big picture, this innovation provides a novel solution to help save people's lives. It is the first indoor rescue drone for cardiac arrests. I hope it can increase survival rates, shorten recovery times, and reduce healthcare costs. This innovation was a huge challenge for me in aspects of my knowledge, skills, and resources. I am very grateful for the great support that I got from my community. Thank you all for watching my video. Please leave your questions and comments on my website. Thank you and have a wonderful rest of your day.